Today we learn the phonics sound of the letter Q. Q says quack, 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 queen, quack, quack, quail, quack, quack, quiet, quack, quack, Q. Q says quack, 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 queen, quack, quail, quack, quiet, quack, Q. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel to get more videos. Bye bye my dear kids.